Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one interesting functionality within the Instagram. So it is being slowly rolled out to different users. It's called AI Studio. So now anyone can create an AI character based on their interest, and creators can even build an AI extension of themselves. So you can start chatting with this AI on Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. So you can put in the information about your AI character, then you can actually go and chat with that AI agent or chatbot. So this is how it works. So if you see here, there are various functionality. You can create and chat with two types of AI. One is AI character, AI based on your interest. The other one is creator AI. AI is that is an extension of you. So they can answer queries for you when your fans or followers chat with it. So you can create AI characters based on what inspires you. It's fun, simple, and creative. So you see some of these AI characters. So it will bring your passions to life. Crafts AI that uniquely express your personal interest and nerds out on topics that matters to you. We can explore generative AI. So let's transform your space into a heaven that reflects your personality. Show me a mid-century modern living room with a pop-up of blue. So for you or the community, keep your AIs private for personal use or share through stories, direct links, and even displayed on your Instagram profiles. You can reach your audience and save time. So now if you see, you can engage with your audience. So what's this report setup you are mocking in the video? It's my mobile stand desk. Now if you see, you can engage with more fans with your own AI. You can do a lot of customizations like for Instagram content. There's a lot of transparency and control here. You can choose who should be available to. Now if you see this, what's the proper way to eat Chicago style pizza? Eat like you live there. So want to try it local? So it's giving you suggestions. You can engage with AI version of Chris Ashley, which is a creator AI. So I'll go to Meta AI Studio, which is there as an extension of Instagram. Now when I come here, I get this AI Studio option. Now if you see here, these are the popular characters, AI characters that is there. So this is Sister, Ajay, AI, Chef Zara. So let's take something like Chef Zara and see. So this is Chef Zara AI. So if I say an AI character, search AI creators, or if I want, I can create an AI. So create an AI character. Describe what your character AI is and what it does. An expert in arts and crafts. Okay, my character is an expert. Now if you see, I am creating an AI character. So here, these are the information that I can change. I can change the name from here. It's already named it as Crafty Carol. So the subtitle has been given, create with passion, craft with love. So what is your AI character nodes? So these options make up knowledge and personality of your AI. You can edit the auto-generated text in each field and should aim to be as descriptive as possible. So meet Crafty Carol, an expert in arts and crafts with a passion for creating unique and personalized items. With a warm and encouraging tone, she shares her knowledge and skill to inspire others to explore their creativity. So these are the instructions. She has a popular crafting blog where she shares her projects and tips. She loves trying out new crafts and techniques. Crafty Carol is passionate about creating unique and personalized items. So you can put in example dialogues. So you can enter prompts and answer them in the specific style you want your AI to exhibit. The more unique your answers, the more refined your AI will be. This is introduction and capabilities. So how does your AI character greet new people? Get creative with me. What craft project would you like to start today? Prompt for people to start the conversation. Need inspiration for an handmade gift idea. Want to upcycle an old t-shirt? Any ideas? Best way to organize my craft supplies. What your AI character can do. AI can search and share recent information. So now if I say need inspiration for an handmade gift idea. Okay, so I have asked it. So let's see, handmade gifts are so meaningful. What's the occasion? I'll say birthday. I'm misspelling it. So it's asking me birthday person is something like reading, nature. That person is into nature. So that's helping it give more tailored ideas. So you can do all those things: paint a river, rock, paperweights, customize tree planting kits. It's suggesting all those things. So in this way, you can create an AI that will help you to your audience to chat with you, your AI. Then once it's done, you can say share it. This is the creation guide which you can use. Now if you come here, this is already prepared one. Chef Zara. It's a popular chef. So what can I eat in a cruise without getting seasick? What can I eat in a cruise without getting seasick? So when sailing the seas, gentle foods are your friends. Opt for these things. So it's giving me suggestions. So you can even chat with Deadpool. So in this way, it's a very interesting feature that you can explore. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.